Welcome back to our YouTube channel and how to create a double exposure in Photoshop. First, open your two images in Photoshop. Next, select the first image and use the blend mode option to choose screen. This will be blend the two images together. Now select the second image and place it and top of the first image. Adjust the size and position as needed. To enhance the effect, you can adjust the opacity of the top image to create a more seamless blend. You can also experiment with different blend modes and opacity levels to achieve the desired look. Once you are happy with the result, save your double exposure image. And there you have it, double exposure created in Photoshop. Practice and experiment with different images to create unique and beautiful double exposures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and creative tips.